Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, we're doing a grocery haul. I am tired. I did a 2-mile walk. It was a little bit over 2 miles. Some sweat. I'm hot and sweaty. I'm hot and sweaty. I'm hot and sweaty. But I did go over to Walmart. Jackson and I went to Walmart to grab some things for the grocery haul. Now, last week I did a trial week of keto. After 7 days, it is very clear that at the stage that I'm at right now, and I'm looking at myself in this camera, I look different. Like my skin looks brighter or something, I don't know. I have my glasses on, so that's what that is. Keto is not it for me. That dairy does not do anything for your girl. So I have gone back to Whole30, and I think that's what's gonna be it for me for now. I was on the scale this morning. I was down yesterday and I was down again today. So I'm just gonna keep and see. When I was back to keto, I was up again. So I tried it for a week. When I'm doing keto, my digestion does not work. As soon as I go to Whole30, I'm digesting all the things. And I don't change anything except adding in dairy. That's the only difference, because keto is very much Whole30 if you do hard, fast, strict keto. Clean ingredients, high fat, you know. So anyway, I'm gonna stick to Whole30, see how it works. Like, I can actually see my clavicle, which I couldn't see before. Y'all, this is a grocery haul, but just so you can tell, right? I can see things that I wasn't able to see before. Now I'm still round, right? My stomach is still there, it hasn't gone away. I'm still round, I'm still apple shaped. But my neck is a little bit thinner. I don't have so much of the double chin anymore. It's still there, depending on the angle. My skin looks a little bit more bright to me. And I'm just gonna go with it. So, you know, I'm gonna live my best life. So there it is. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around, show you what I got. I had $50 for my summer groceries, and I pulled $50 out of my checking account. So I spent 100, it was 102, 101.72, something like that. So I spent $52 over, but I did plan for that. So I had some extra in there and planned for it. Prayerfully, child support will come tomorrow, and that'll be perfect. It's all good. All the bills are paid. Nothing is due again until August 1st, so we're all good. So I'm gonna turn my camera around and show you what I got, and then kind of run through a quick grocery, a meal plan with you guys. Alrighty, y'all, so this is what I got from Walmart. Now, a couple things I didn't have to get, and Jackson got some stuff that I ended up paying for. So the chocolate wafers, the rice cakes, the buns, the Pringles, and he picked up something else. Where Jackson's, I just threw it in because I was paying for it anyway, right? So I got these Outshine fruit bars. I looked this up on Whole30 approved, and it was approved. So I got the small skinny ones where there's 12 in the box. They were like $4.98 or something like that. So I got 2 boxes. That'll be gone, probably already gone, no problem. I just needed a treat, something for me, because I'm not doing fruit. I'm just doing bananas or berries. Jackson wanted some buns. He said he had something to make with buns. I said, go for it, brother. We got rice cakes. I don't know what that was, because at $2.38, something of that. Pringles like $1.25, 50 something. 4 things of raisins for $1 each. The eggs, 60 counts, was $5.60 something. Got 2 apple juices in the back for $1.54 each, and then unsweetened almond milk. Alana requested that at $1.82. Grapes, I think, again, are $1.77. I got that specifically for chicken salad. Whole30 chicken salad. Picked up the strawberries. This is a 2 pounds. I did not see a price for it, but I picked it up anyway. Picked up some ranch packets and some Italian. I think I have a roast, so I'm going to do like, oh, I forgot to get carrots. But I can pick up some. They were 50 cents each, so I got 4 ranch and 2 Italian. English cucumber was $1.38. Bananas were 24 cents a pound. They say 59 cents, but the last 2 weeks they've been 24 cents a pound. So I picked up 2 big bunches. Myself and Jackson likes bananas. Sister likes them too. Family size pack of sausages. Now those are not 100% clean ingredients, but I was at Walmart and I got them. I wasn't going to another store. They were $5.54 for the family size. Extra virgin olive oil was $1.82. Ghee, very expensive at Walmart. It's like $6 and some change. It's like $5.99 at Aldi, but I wasn't going to another store. Olive oil was $2.62. Okay, I had to pick up some deodorant for Jackson because he has got not quite a man, but definitely not a little boy anymore stank, and I just can't. I can't even. So that was $2 and some change. Got this avocado oil mayo that is Whole30 approved. That was like $6. 2 things of coconut milk at $2 and some change, and then greens. Like, we can't be out of Margaret Home greens. That's just not even American at our house. $1.24 each. I got 4 cans. Totally not enough. Need to get more. I picked up a couple of sweet potatoes. I think it was $2 and some change for these 3 large ones. And the big bag of, they just had little tiny raggedy ones for $2.44, so I didn't get them. I just got sweet potatoes. And we'll cut these up real fine. Gala apples, $3.73. 10-pound bag of russet potatoes. These were a lot more firm than the yellow ones. They were a little bit over $5, so I picked those up. We picked up puppy bags for ma'am. A little bit under $6. And then paper plates were a little over $5. So everything there was $101. It was $102.72. That's how much I spent at Walmart for the groceries. Now I'm gonna sit down with you and come up with a meal plan. All right, so thinking about what I have in my freezer as far as meats are concerned. Tonight we're having fish. So we're gonna have fish. We're on the 21st. We're gonna do fish and sweet potatoes. I know I have chicken legs, so I'm gonna take out chicken legs for tomorrow. Probably do some ranch chicken legs. We did ranch chicken thighs last week and they were really good. So I'm either gonna grill chicken legs or do ranch chicken legs. Not real sure. I know we have some beef. I wanna do some stuffed cabbage. And I have 2 cabbages. So I'm gonna look into doing some stuffed cabbage. I've gotta look up a recipe for that. For breakfast, it's just gonna be eggs and sausage because we have eggs and we have sausage. Lunches are always leftovers. We always do leftovers for lunches. It just makes the most sense in our house. So I have fish, chicken legs. We're probably going to have rotisserie chicken one day. What else kind of meat do we have? I think I have a roast. I want to do like a roast with potatoes and carrots. Although I forgot my carrots. I could just pick up a cheap bag of carrots. It's like $1. So I'll pick up some carrots and we'll do a roast maybe for Sunday. What else? What did I buy? Oh, I wanted to do a chicken salad. We had a little bit of leftover rotisserie chicken from last week. So I want to do like a chicken salad just for lunch. And so I just usually do the chicken, some of the Whole30 mayo, raisins, and grapes is what I use to add a sweetness. You know, we usually add relish and sweet sugar, but we can't have that on Whole30. And I'm not doing the keto version. I'm trying to stay away from the sugars if I can. Just doing natural. So in order to make it a little bit sweet, I add the raisins in and the grapes. And we made some last week. It was really good. We actually had relish in it because I had made it keto during my keto week. But I'm not doing that anymore. So we'll just use that. There's probably a couple other things in there. I may have some... We may have a breakfast casserole instead of just eggs and sausage. I may do a breakfast casserole. And I do have some spinach that I have to use. So I'm going to say add in some spinach there. Because I've got to use that up. I wanted to do a chicken soup, like a chicken and rice soup. We'll use cauliflower, of course, cauli rice. So I wanted to do that because I could do that in the Instant Pot. And that won't take long. We can always do potatoes. We'll always do some baked potatoes. or mashed. I did get the coconut milk, and we can do potatoes. For some reason, potatoes aren't bothering me at the moment. I am limiting. What I am doing on Whole30 is I'm limiting my fruit. So right now I've only had bananas and raisins. I haven't had watermelon. I haven't had anything else. I am going to add in apples to see if I can do the apples without gaining. And if I do, then I'll cut apples out. So I'm going to add in an apple, not apples like I'm going to eat a whole lot. I'm just going to add in an apple to see if that will, if I can tolerate that. I'll do that with a little almond butter and some raisins as well. Just as a little snack. Sometimes it's what I have for breakfast instead of doing the eggs and the sausage. Most times it's eggs and sausage because I like to get that protein in. The almond butter doesn't give me as much protein as I need, just that little bit. But that's kind of a light meal plan. I'm not saying which days I'm doing what because I like flexibility in my meal plan. I like to be able to do whatever I need to do whenever I need to do it. I like to switch things up based on my week. Like tonight is supposed to be my teen girls, but we're actually moving teen girls to Monday nights, the same night as Daughters of Grace. I'm just going to do teen girls an hour early, but I don't have anything going on Monday nights, so that's going to be good. That will free up Wednesdays because we have some things going on. The kids have activities. So Mondays is going to be, I'm home. I can meal prep, do a few things I need to do. But anywho, there it is, you guys. Grocery haul, meal plan, you know, light meal plan because anything can change. I do want to do some butter cabbage. See, I'm just coming up with these buttered cabbage, although we'll use ghee. I won't use butter because I'm not using dairy. But anyway, there it is. You saw the groceries. If you can come up with any ideas for us, leave them down below. We'd be happy to see what you have going on. Oh, we can do, see, all these home fries with eggs and sausage. We sometimes do that for breakfast as well. But that's it. Okay, there it is. Meal plan grocery haul. If you have any ideas for us, leave them down below. If you like the video, be sure and thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're doing Whole30 or keto, let us know what's on your meal plan for this week. We'd be happy to see what you got going on. Always interested in other things, things that other people are doing that we aren't. So thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.